Good morning, class! I am Teacher Sarah and I will be your teacher for today. But before we start our day today, let us all stand for our opening prayer. Put your hands together, bow down your head, close your eyes, and feel the presence of the Lord. Again, good morning, grade 3 and grade 4 students. How are you today? Oh, I hope you are doing great and having fun in our start of class. Now, I want you to greet your classmates by means of a song. For our attendance from grade 3, is there anyone absent from your classmates?
No.
I'm glad to know that no one is absent from grade 3 level. For that, let's give grade 3 students a perfect clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, perfect! Now for grade 4 students, is there anyone absent from your classmates?
No.
Okay, very good. I'm glad to know that no one is absent from grade 4 level. For that, let's also give them a perfect clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, perfect! So now, let's have a recap on what have we discussed last meeting. So anyone, raise your hand if you want to answer. Anyone? What was our lesson all about yesterday? From grade 3 students. Jenny, yes? What is that? Very good. Are you agree grade 4 students with her answer?
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Great job. Let's give her 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we will have a group activity. For grade 3 students, I will divide you into 2 groups. For grade 4 students, I will also divide you into 2 groups. But before we start, is there any questions? None. Okay. Now, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, you may start. First one is the brain. Its function is to process information it receives and to send instructions to the different parts of the body. Next, heart is the muscle at the center of our circulatory system, pumping blood around your body as your heart beats. This blood sends oxygen and nutrients to all parts of your body. The next one is the intestine, which are responsible for breaking food down, absorbing its nutrients, and solidifying the waste. It is the longest part of the. Next is kidney. It removes waste and extra fluid from your body. It also removes acid produced by the cells of your body and maintains a healthy balance of water, salts, and minerals such as sodium, calcium, phosphorus, and potassium in your blood. Stomach. Its function is for digesting food and sending it to small intestine. The last one is the lungs. It is a part of the respiratory system, a group of organs and tissues that work together to help you breathe. Its main job is to move fresh air into your body while removing waste gases. For grade 3, we will discuss the sense organs, which includes the eyes for seeing, nose for smelling, ears for hearing, tongue for tasting, and hand for touching. For grade 4, we have the major organs, which is consist of the brain, the heart, the intestine, the kidney, stomach, lungs.
Wait lang, pause muna.
Now, we will have a group activity. I have here jigsaw puzzles that you will form with your groups. For grade 3 students, this row will be the group 1 and this row will be the group 2. And here are your materials for group 1 and for group 2. Same with grade 4. This row will be the first group and the second row will be the second group. And here are your materials for group 1 and for group 2. But before we start, is there any questions?
None.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, you may start working your groups. Are you done with the activity?
Yes.
Now, paste it on the board. So, this is the work of Group 1 and Group 2 from Grade 3 level. And this is the work of Group 1 and Group 2 from Grade 4 level. So, from Grade 3, let's see what the first group has formed. Okay, very good. It is the eyes. How about from Group 2? Yes, ears. Now, let's see what the Grade 4 students has formed. From Group 1, yes, it is the heart. From Group 2, yes, it is kidney. Each group from the 2 grade levels done a great job. So, let's give yourselves a wonderful clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful! Okay, so for grade 3 students, I have here the parts of the human body, and what you need to do is to label the body parts in this diagram. Okay, so after labeling the parts, may I ask the grade 4 students to identify the functions of each body part. So for eyes, what do you think is the function of the eyes?
For seeing, teacher.
Yes, very good. So the eyes is used for seeing. How about the ears?
To hear.
Alright, it is used for hearing. So for grade 3, you will guess the pictures by arranging the jumbled words in the box. For grade 4 students, you will arrange the letters to form the correct name of the pictures. Now that you are done exploring the stations, let us identify what was inside the station boxes. So in the science stations, there are blindfolds, masks, pictures, and many more. In the hearing station, there are the materials that produce sounds and music. In the touch stations, there are the things that has texture like sponges, fur, slimes, and so on. In the taste station, there are sample foods or pictures of foods. In the smell stations, there are objects that are related to the sense of smell. Now, the groups can share to the class what have you observed or saw in each station. Now, the groups can share to the class what have you observed or saw in each station.
1.
Okay, very good everyone. So for today's lesson, the grade 3 students will learn about the 5 senses, which are the sense of taste, smell, touch, see, and hear. On the other hand, the grade 4 students will learn about the major body parts,
Major organ. Major.
1.
On the other hand, the grade 4 students will learn about the major organs, which are the brain, heart, kidney, lungs, intestine, and stomach. For grade 4, we will have a discussion about the major organs in the human body. For our next activity, for grade 3 level, we will explore sensory stations. So for the procedure, you will be grouped into 3. There are 5 stations that you will explore, named as the touch station, smell station, sight station, taste station, and hear station. In each station, there are different objects based on the sensory organ provided. What you need to do is to explore each box as you walk around the stations. On your sheets, you should make a list of the materials or objects you see at each station. So based from our discussion, we will do the body organs relay. The materials that we will use is the clay for human brain, the balloon or balloon pump for the heart, brown paper bag or pen for lungs, clay for kidney, boiled small or large noodles for intestine, and transparent plastic or oatmeal for stomach. So for the procedure, we have to prepare the materials for each body organs: the brain, heart, lungs, kidney, intestine, and stomach. And after preparing all the materials, we will divide the class into two groups. Group 1 is for the brain, heart, and lungs, while Group 2 is for the kidney, intestine, and stomach. This activity, entitled Body Organs Relay, we need to create different body organs with the use of the materials provided, and allow the students to think and create each organs assigned and discuss its major functions. Each body organs have 2 to 3 minutes allotted time to design and 2 minutes for discussion. All in all, 15 minutes to facilitate the activity and will exceed up to 20 minutes. The first group to finish all the tasks will be the winner. For our last activity, the activity is entitled The Wheel of Organs. For the materials, we have here the Wheel of Organs, which is consists of each task like describe the organ, draw the organ, write ways to take care of the organ, and tell its function, with corresponding numbers referring to each body organs. Next is the Bowl of Fortune, which is to pick the body organs assigned for each partner. So, for the procedure, I have here the Wheel of Organs, and you need to gather here in front, and we will play The Boat is Sinking. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into two. Alright, now you have your partners. So one of you will pick a piece of paper in this Bowl of Fortune and then go back to your partners. So let's gather here. Do you now have your numbers? Okay, are you ready to start? Now, we will spin the wheel that will identify the rules to do and its corresponding number. When the wheel stops, for example, when the wheel stops on the draw the organ, anyone who got the number 5 will draw the organ. For example, the organ you chose is heart, then you will draw a heart. Another example. For example, the wheel stopped in number 1, which is to describe the organ. For example, you chose heart, then you will describe the heart as an organ. Are we clear? Okay, let's start. So class, how was your experience in doing our activities? Okay, great. So now for grade 3 students, what are the importance of sense organs in our body? Yes? Okay, very good. Our sense organs, like the eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin, provide senses of sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch to aid the survival, development, learning, and adaptation of humans. For grade 4 students, what are the importance of these organs in our body? Yes? Okay, that's right. The sense organs are the body parts by which humans are able to see, smell, hear, touch, and taste or feel. For grade 3 students, In what ways can you take good care of your sense organs? Yes? Okay, that's right. How about you? Yes, very good. Now for grade 4, what are the ways you can do to take care of your body parts? Yes? Okay. How about you? Yes, very good. Push, 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 push. Ano, Jay? Ano? Very good, everyone. It seems that you understand well our lesson for today. So, for your assignment, for grade 3 students, you need to cut out pictures from magazines or newspapers that can be used for a collage to show helpful habits in taking care of sense organs. Are we clear? Alright, so for grade 4, you have to draw a poster on how to take care of our body's major organs. Are we now clear? Okay, so that's ends. Are we clear? Are we now clear? Okay, so that ends our lesson for today.
I will see you again tomorrow.
I will see you again tomorrow for our next lesson. Goodbye, children.